This term's leading was awesome, so you gotta get outside. Yeah.
Nice, okay.
The learning process was doing a bunch of research about what the problem was first off, and how other people have tried to help solve it, so we knew basically where to start.
The issue is that the sediment is going into the Kaipara Harbour and it's affecting the food chain. Right, so the government has put $200 million into cleaning up the Kaipara Harbour.
We used our different subjects to make sense of the issue and looked at different perspectives on why this has become a problem. During science, we conducted an investigation using water samples to look at how the sediment in the water affected photosynthesis.
We learned about food chains and how sediment affected larger species.
So in social studies we've been learning about how all the rivers link up and the maps and everything, and like we've been talking about Muriwai, and we found a good river down at Rotafari Park, and that was a good place to start.
In English we learned about taking action, what's more effective, whether it's putting a poster up or going out and doing something. We also learned about what we can do to solve the problem with Motata and Māori. We learned how to design questions for our experts and how to evaluate the action we took.
The Kaipara Harbour is right on our doorstep, and since we knew what the problem was, we wanted to take action in that, so this is what we did.
Our teachers set us the question, how do the health of the local waterways affect the health of the Kaipara Harbour?
This meant we had to inquire how we could work on our local stream, which directly feeds into the Kaipara Harbour. We had to look at what we could do to support the health of Rotafari Park stream. We designed 3 types of action: planting native trees, pest control, and teaching our Year 7s at the local primary school.
Before we planted the trees, we were told that we have to, like if we see anything digging up trees or something, that we have to return it to be respectful to our local iwi.
We planted 500 native trees around the stream at Rotafari Park to help stop the sediment falling into the stream which feeds into the harbour. It was awesome, we got our hands dirty, it was awesome to feel like we're part of the solution.
Next we looked at pest control. We couldn't just plant trees without taking care of the pests. We tracked pests and traps, possums and rats, and checked our traps every 2 weeks.
The last piece of action we did was going to Helensville Primary School and teaching the kids about the Kaipara Harbour and sediment and pest trapping. Cool. Yeah, this term was amazing. It was great to feel like a leader, get outside and go into the environment, and can't wait till next term.
Thumbs up.